video, guys. In today's video we're going to do Escoveitch tofu with some steamed bammy. As usual, on this side we're going to do some steamed vegetable. Stick around, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Alright, so for the tofu, I'm going to soak it in some salt and vinegar. You want to soak it for about an hour. Going in with some water. And you can cut this in whatever shape you prefer, right? And I prefer to cut it so all the salt and vinegar can absorb right through the tofu. So you're making like a brine. I'll make sure everything in it properly immersed. So going in with a little bit more vinegar and water because I want it to be above the tofu. Alright? Making our pickle, we're going to use one nice carrot. We're going to julienne our carrots. You want to make some onion rings. Going in with some oil. And I want to cook the carrot first. The carrot is what takes a little longer to break down. I still want to maintain the crunch in the onions, so I will put that in last. Right, like how the carrot break down, we're going to add in the additional stuff, which include the onion and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Ensure you're doing this in a well ventilated area because the vinegar and the pepper, the reaction, you know, can irritate your sinuses. So you want to make sure your area is well ventilated. And I'm not going to keep this on the stove for too long. Whatever heat is in the pot, I want it to kind of soften the onion. So I'm not going to keep it on the heat, alright? The vinegar will break down the onion as well as the pepper. Working on our dry rub, we have all-purpose flour in this. Going in with some salt, all-purpose seasoning. And guys, remember, I'm only a guide to you all, right? You can go in with whatever dry seasoning you want to go in with. If you want to go in with nori seasoning, you can go right ahead and use it. I don't have it, so I just use what I have at the moment, all right? I am only a guide to you guys. Garlic powder and a little black pepper. To make the seasoning blend for the tofu, we're going to go in with the same seasoning we went in with the dry rub. We're going to use garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, a little black pepper, a little salt. And we want to do it on both sides. And what you can do too, guys, you can allow this to marinate for a little while as well. And remember to preheat your pot. What we're going to do now is to just put it in the flour with the seasoning and just press it in, right? Alright, in our pot we're going to go in with a Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and some pimento berries. And this is basically just to flavor the oil, alright? Adding in our tofu. Alright, going in with about 2 tablespoons of oil, if so much. Tofus are still frying over here. I think they look beautiful. Alright, in our pot here, we're going to go in with our garlic. And I'm using like around 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Going in with our season, which include the scallion, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper. and carrot. Alright guys, what we're going to do is to go in with some cumin before we add our vegetables. We're going to go in with some cumin, all-purpose seasoning, and remember you can use the seasoning of your choice. Garlic powder, bringing up the flavors from now. And then we're going to go in with our cabbage, and calalloo. These vegetables spring its own water, so you want to just cover it. Alright, so now that we have fried off the tofu, we're going to work with our bammy. Get yourself a nice sized bammy. We're going to steam it. Okay, so after about 2 minutes, while these releasing the flavor, so the water change, I'm going to go in with some butter. Your all-purpose seasoning. And you want that to boil out and everything to come together nicely. Basically, what you want to do for the steamed bammy is to create like a vegetable broth, right? Because remember, the bammy is full of starch, so it's going to thicken up the liquid that is in the pot. So we're going to add our bammy. And you want to steam this down for about 5 minutes. And remember, the texture that you like is the texture that you will bring it to. Alright guys, you can see that lovely steamed bammy we have here. And you can see that the liquid in there thickened just because of the bammy, right? Alright, dinner is ready guys, look at that. This is a nice dinner idea guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Until next time, bye.